Hello, welcome to E Prime. This evening I am Daedran. Jamaican superstar athletes Usain Bolt and Elaine Thompson Herah rocked the runway at New York Fashion Week last evening. They were part of the Puma show dubbed Future Grade. The collection featured retro styles, new collaborations, and never-before-seen products. After the event, Elaine took to Instagram where she expressed gratitude to Puma for the experience, adding that walking the runway was a dream come true. As for Usain, his Insta post read, quote, "Just a kid from the country, living the dream," end quote, a line from his song Living the Dream with friend NJ. Now, earlier this week, Dancehall artist Spice was also spotted in the audience of designer Laquan Smith's fashion show. She also brought that spicy energy to the after party. Love it for you guys.
Now, you know she from Jamaica, right? You know Jamaica blood in her, right? So me gonna do this again with it. You know that.
Now, dancehall artist TVJ dropped the music video for his latest single, People, earlier today. The song speaks to loyalty, friendship, and love and was produced by Top Rough Music. TJ was officially signed to Solid Agency last June, which is headed by industry pioneer Sharon Burke after parting ways with Ramesh Entertainment.
Father, protect me from all of them. Why you think me build my own house so me no need nobody hard again? All people when me call me friend them want for some God. Father, please, if me ever fall, me I beg you say if you help me up and guide me, make me walk again. You no need to do them nothing at all. Them just want hear say you're right off in your car and then Father, please.
Now onto the international scene where R&B singer Jesse Powell has died. His sister Tamara Powell made the announcement on Instagram. She said in the post that he passed away peacefully in his Los Angeles home. His family has asked for privacy as they mourn his loss. Jesse was known for his 90s music releases such as I Wasn't With It, Gloria, and You. He died the day after celebrating his 51st birthday. That's it for E Prime this evening. Thank you for watching. I'm Daedran.